ग्लोबल ट्रेड एंड टेक्नोलॉजी काउंसिल ने नेपाल दूतावास के सहयोग से नई दिल्ली स्थित दूतावास परिसर में अंतर्राष्ट्रीय वेलनेस दिवस 2026 का सफल आयोजन किया। यह अवसर वैश्विक कूटनीति, वेलनेस, नेतृत्व और सांस्कृतिक सहयोग का एक विशिष्ट संगम बना। इस कार्यक्रम में नेपाल, बोस्निया एंड हर्जेगोविना, मलेशिया, मंगोलिया और त्रिनिदाद एंड टोबैगो के राजदूतों के साथ साथ कोमोरोस, मिस्र, इथियोपिया, केन्या, रूस, श्रीलंका, यूनेस्को और एस्केप के राजनयिकों की गरिमा में उपस्थिति रही। उनकी सहभागिता ने वैश्विक स्तर पर स्वास्थ्य, संतुलित जीवनशैली और सतत विकास के प्रति मजबूत एकजुटता को प्रदर्शित किया।
GTDCI, Global Trade and Technology Council of India. We are the partner with the Embassy of Nepal today, and we are hosting this International Wellness Day. It is happening for the first time in the history from the resolution passed in UN Assembly, and we are proud to host it together with the Embassy of Nepal. And today is 15th April. Now it will be celebrated every year. It is about the not India did the yoga and meditation day with the UN, but this is a Wellness Day. And it is taking the holistic health of everybody. And today we will be serving the healthy and herbal food to our guests. And we are expecting and we are getting the guests from many countries and ambassadors and diplomats from more than 15 countries taking part in this Wellness Day.
मैसेज तो यही है कि आज का दिन जो है वो अपने स्वास्थ्य का ध्यान रखने के लिए है, लेकिन उससे ज़्यादा आवश्यक है उन लोगों का के बारे में कहना जो देशों को चलाते हैं कि उनका काम है कि लोगों के बारे में ध्यान दें कि उनका स्वास्थ्य ठीक है या नहीं। जनता तो करती है बेचारी, दवाई नहीं मिलेगी तो जनता क्या करेगी।
My name is Dr. Benno Böhr. I'm the chief of the Natural Science Unit at the UNESCO South Asia office in New Delhi. I just participated here at the Embassy of Nepal in New Delhi, the celebration of International Wellness Day, together with UNESCO and UNESCAP and many ambassadors. I'm very happy about that this important day is being celebrated. It is in celebration of SDG 3, health and well-being. Of course, the SDGs, the Sustainable Development Goals, they all belong together. We have the SDG for zero hunger, we have the SDG for no poverty, we have the SDG for gender equality, for education, for water and hygiene, climate action, and so on. And we really express in the SDGs and the Sustainable Development Goals the challenges and hopes of humanity. And we all want to be healthy and we all want to feel well. And right now there are so many provoked and unjust wars going on in the world. If I just think of our brothers and sisters in the Persian Gulf, for example, they are not feeling so well. So all is related to world peace and to inner peace and to peace that we in the United Nations also need to contribute to. And this is I'm celebrating this day here at the Embassy of Nepal, following invitation from our future partner, GTDCI.
Hi, I'm Dr. Gagan, and I really congratulate Nepal Embassy. Nepal has come up with the first time world's first wellness day by United Nations. Nepal is the first country to start it, and the event is organized today at the Nepal Embassy, Delhi. So we should believe in three principles. We should be very aware of our health, but not a blind follower to follow the blind rules that whatever viral trends we are seeing, we have to be very careful. And see, I think compassion. We should build a lot of compassion and cure each other by emotional healing and all. Thank you so much.
My name is Chandra Dat Singh, and I am the High Commissioner for Trinidad and Tobago. This is a very good program. This is a very useful program. Anything that has to do with wellness is important, especially today when there are so many health and health issues going around the world as far as health is concerned, for individuals and for societies. So we have some good lessons today about this program, talking about individual discipline and approach to health individually, but a lot of importance must be given also to the community wellness. India is the #1 country in the world for zoonotic disease. The spread of pandemics from animal to human and from human to animal. This is the #1 country. A lot of attention, a lot more attention needs to be paid towards pandemic disease, zoonotic disease, and pandemics. Because you can be safe and healthy in yourself and your family and your home, but when you're part of a society, you're going to get sick when a pandemic hits like the COVID. So we have to take care of that, okay?
मेरा नाम डॉक्टर सुनील वर्मा है। मैं ऋषिकुलम वेलनेस सेंटर बीइंग एचओडी काम करता हूँ। तो वहाँ पे योग, नेचुरोपैथी, पंचकर्मा इन चीज़ों पे काम किया जाता है। तो वहाँ पे आपकी जितनी भी जो डिजीज है विदाउट मेडिसिन के ठीक की जाती है।
In Nepal Embassy, GTTCI organized International Wellness Day, which is proclaimed by United Nations and being started to celebrate from this year. This is 15 April. So today the event was wonderful. I, Dr. Mohan Karki, as a practitioner of yoga and naturopathy for the past around 25 years, participated here in this event. So many august gathering people, guests, senior guests from different field participated in the event and deliberated about achieving this goal of holistic wellness. And certainly this day, the Wellness Day, International Wellness Day, is going to be one of the milestones to help achieve the state of holistic wellness with time to come.